Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 23rd, 2016. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, it was more of the same, really, on Friday. We saw a bit of back and forth here, average volume, but by the end of the session, it was a bit of a mixed close. The Dow, which was lower in the session, much lower, pretty much made it all back, but did finish lower by 16 points, while the S&P 500 was flat, finished lower by 0.18, so completely flat here. But having said that, it had actually come back below that 2125 area before pulling back up, and the NASDAQ finished higher by about 15 points or so. The Russell slightly lower, again making up a lot of ground that it had lost earlier in the session, while TLT here hung tight, up 20 cents. And gold was down 80 cents. So not a whole lot going on. Even crude was fairly quiet. Crude on the day finished higher by just 22 cents. So the one thing that really got going was the US dollar, paired against many different currencies. One that was very obvious was the USD CAD, which we've been following for quite some time. And we've got another breakout out of this channel, so we can expect this to continue moving higher. But the dollar hitting 7-month highs on Friday and looking very, very strong. Now, there's two stocks this week to keep an eye on, both because of earnings coming up. And one of them is Apple and the other one is Google. You know, these are large enough, and any crazy outcome from earnings can really get this market started. We've been looking for some kind of catalyst. We all know that, until we get this election out of the way, things are going to be very much up in the air. But these are two big players that can certainly have an impact on these markets. So it's something to watch for this week. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.